What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, it's the best money channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this from right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, no rags, just riches, King Hussle Crazy Reactions. Oh, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, turn motivation to means, dog pound exotic pups, Goosebumps horror stories, sleeping with the rain, King Hussle 2.0. And Milwaukee made King Hussle. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. I got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you pay for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. Not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. What it do, my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there. And in today's video, we are back at it again with the gems. I'm back at it again with the sauce. I'm back at it with the information that's going to turn you into a boss. So you're tired of being a zero. You ready to be your family hero. Listen up. Take a seat. Get your notepad and notepad out because we're about to get into it. We're about to get into some real life gems, right? Now, today's video, Truist Bank has a new small startup business program for businesses where you can get up to $25,000 easier than a $50,000 no-doc loan. All you got to do is follow these instructions. You follow these instructions, you'll get paid. All right, don't follow these instructions. You won't get paid. And I don't want to hear the comments saying, oh, that's cap, because you didn't follow their instructions. All right, so Truist Bank got them plays, and I'm here to get you paid today. All right, so without further ado, I'm about to help you get that $25,000 from Truist Bank, new small startup business, no doc program. All right, so first thing you want to do is understand this. If you got your LLC and your EIN number, go open up a business bank account with Truist Bank. If you do not have your LLC and EIN number, go get you one and go open up a business bank account with Truist Bank, checking and savings. Now, once you completed that task, now we got to focus on your personal credit because you're going to be utilizing your personal credit as a personal guarantor towards your business credit so you can get this $25,000 new small startup business loan for your new business. All right, so now we're going to the personal credit. So what you need to understand is that when they look at your credit, they're going to see everything that's going on. Banks, lenders, and groups pull your credit to see how good you are with managing money on paper, how good you are with managing money, period. They don't care how much money you got, none of that. They want to see on paper how good you are with managing money. So a lot of people, everybody's credit report is different, first of all. Everybody does not have the same debt. Everybody does not have the same primary trade lines. Everybody does not have the same loans. Everybody does not have the same life. So everybody's credit situation is completely different from the next person. So you gotta understand that this person might got accounts that fall off easier than the next person. This person might got accounts that's taking a little bit longer for the accounts to fall off and for you to do whatever you need to do, right? So always understand that everybody does not have the same credit situation, same credit profile, the same credit score, which means everybody will not get approved the same way for certain loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. All right, so understand that. So by you getting your LLC, your EIN number, open up a business bank account, checking savings with them, you're going to start building a business relationship with them. So you're going to start depositing funds into your business bank account. If you have a job, just have your job checks be direct deposit into your business bank account, or take a percentage out of your personal account and put it into your business bank account so you can start generating revenue into your account and it'll show on paper, which will help you with your business bank account documents that you will need in the near future for different loans. All right, so when it comes to this, you want $25,000, but you got $10,000 in debt being reported on your credit report that you have not been paying off. You're not going to get approved for that loan because on paper, you're not showing that you can manage money. You're not showing that you can manage at least $25,000. So why would they give you $25,000? So that's where the trade lines come in at, right? And like I said, everybody's credit report is different. But as long as you got whatever debt that you have on your credit report and it's bad payment history backed behind it, you're not going to get approved. You have to get good payment history on your account with high debt in the high age or the old age or longer age. So never start deleting everything off your credit report because you're going to take away the age from the age on your credit report. What you want to do is you want to start adding trade lines. CreditStrong.com has $40,000 in trade lines that you can get to add to your credit. So let's say you're somebody with $20,000 in debt and you need to build on your debt to start getting approved for loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. You need a higher debt. You got $20,000 in debt. You get that $40,000 trade line from CreditStrong.com and Magnum Credit, which is the same company. You now have $60,000 in debt being reported on your credit report. Now, when it comes to loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, they want to see more primary trade lines, at least 5 of those on your credit report than regular trade lines, because primary trade lines are primary accounts that are primarily in your name. And if you don't make payments on those accounts, it would affect your credit report or your credit score. Vice versa, regular credit, regular credit regular trade lines, they don't affect your credit because they're basically savings accounts. And every month that you pay is building your payment history, and that money is going to a savings account. So once you pay off however much that savings account is for, it's going to unlock it and you're going to get that money back. All right, so always understand that. Once you got those, that $40,000 trade line, you know I got $60,000 in debt. Then you get to the $40,000 in primary trade line. Now you need your primary trade lines. Now banks mainly want to see more primary trade lines than regular trade lines. Because like I said, those are trade lines that are primarily in your name. So, hold on, let me get this together. You showing have to jank it. So accounts that are primary in your name, these are what the banks, the groups and lenders want to see more. Because they affect your credit score and regular trade lines don't. So, selfs, the AVAs, the kickoffs, primary trade lines. Auto loans, mortgages, payday loans, primary trade lines. Secured loans or secured credit cards, primary trade lines. And these are loans and credit cards that you can get by utilizing your own money as collateral. So instead of walking to the bank saying, I want to borrow this so much, or I want to borrow that amount, you're walking to the bank saying, hey, I got this amount, this, and I got that, and I want you get a credit card or loan, a secured loan, secured credit card, which will give you, if you have bad credit and you go in the bank and get a secured loan credit card, you're basically starting your own credit limit. So you can have bad credit with a high credit limit just off getting secured loans or secured credit cards. And as long as you make a payments on that each month, you can build your payment history very fast, right? So now that you got those secured loans or secured credit cards being reported, primary trade lines, you need at least 2 credit cards. So the secured credit card could be one. They got the open skies, and then you can go to Trade Line Supply. Trade Line Supply has credit accounts, credit card accounts that you can buy to report your credit report from $1,000 all the way up to $100,000. So you got $60,000 being reported on your credit report already from the trade lines. You get you another $60,000 AU account, which is a credit card account. You now got $120,000 being reported on your credit report with good debt, good payment history, high debt, good payment history. And the age is still there because you didn't delete any account off of your credit report. So now the age that you've been having on there, the debt's still there, the payment history good now, and the debt is higher. Now when you go to apply for a $25,000 no-doc loan using your personal credit and they see you managing $120,000, you're going to be in a good runner for getting approved for that $25,000 because they see you already managing a high amount. Now when it comes to pay stubs and that type of things, that's on you. Whatever you got to do, you do that. So now that you got your trade lines on that, and it also would be good to make sure your business is registered the right way. Don't use your home address, use a virtual address, get a real business number, get your job, get your business in the public records. Also adding net 30s will be beneficial to your business, building your business paydex score. But once you got all that, once you got the trade lines on your personal credit, you letting your credit score build, you building a relationship with Truist Bank, then what you want to do is you want to, like I said, get those, make sure your business is structured, make sure you got the business trade lines, net 30s, which are accounts that you can, business supplies that you can buy to pay off in 30 days that will report to your business credit. So once you got all that, then you can walk into the bank. Like I said, you let it sit for 30 days. Start making payments, build your payment history if you're somebody that needs to build that payment history. Because if you don't got payment history on your credit report, you're gonna have to build that just to really be in a good standard and get approved for this $25,000 no-doc loan. If you're somebody who already has an account or has decent debt on your credit, you can get approved faster. A lot of people don't follow these steps and don't get approved, and then they get mad. You got to follow these instructions. You got to follow these steps in order to be blessed, and that's just how it is. I don't see why people think they hear. It's like hearing, okay, you can get a $25,000 no-doc loan, and you go in there and do it your way and don't get approved because you think you can just do this and do that. Like, a lot of people got a bad time of trying to skip steps and trying to do what they seem makes more sense to be easier to do, and it never works. Like, a lot of people are like, oh, I can just do this, and it never works. Or a lot of people are like, oh, I can just do this, or I thought I didn't have to do that. Like, did the instructions say don't do that? Like, the instructions said to do this and do that. Like, a lot of people see the instructions say go down to aisle 1, make a right, make a left in the middle, and y'all go down to aisle 1 and be like, man, I'm just gonna make a left right here. I don't feel like going all the way down there. And then be like, this it? That's not what the instructions said to do. And then y'all get mad and play the victim. And then think somebody scammed y'all, or think somebody got over on y'all, or just think the most of the worst things. Like, no, like, how come there's so many people doing this and it's just you that just don't want to put in the right time or to put in the right effort to make it happen, and just lazy and think something's just supposed to come to you and then get mad. That come with the methods too. Like, a lot of people be buying the methods and never did a method or never did anything in cybersecurity before a day in their life, and then they read these certain type terminologies and be lost in the sauce and think somebody scammed them. Then you got people who get these methods, who do their research and learn what stuff mean and connect the dots, and they make a lot of money. So just following instructions will get you farther in life with anything and everything that you do. A lot of people don't follow instructions. A lot of people just want to hurry up and get something and feel like, okay, that's why the instructions come with pieces, and y'all be leaving pieces out. And like, come on now, just follow instructions, because you follow instructions and they get lazy. You don't feel like doing something. Like, being lazy will keep you from being successful in life. And that's just what it is. A lot of people got temptations. A lot of people got a little laziness in them, but overcoming that laziness and actually putting time and effort into something will actually benefit you in the long run, right? So Truist Bank, $25,000 new small startup business loan, new program, new funds. They read up. Go open up a business bank account with them using your LLC and your EIN number. Go deposit funds into that bank account. Start generating funds in that bank account. So you can show your business is making some type of money. Add them trade lines so you can utilize your personal credit as a personal guarantor towards your business and go get approved, all right? Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce. And y'all do motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's ready to get their FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems lessons, tap in, let's work. FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems lessons that will teach you everything on the credit side, from how to clean your personal credit, build your personal credit, leverage it towards your business, start your business, getting loans, credit cards, lines of credit, plus the CPN package. I will also teach you how to make $500 to $5,000 a month, a day off profit. I'm gonna show you how to make $5,000 to $100,000 a month off profit. I'm gonna show you everything that you need to do to succeed, how to do these methods the right way. A lot of people buy methods and don't understand certain terminology and certain terms, and so I'm gonna help you with all that, and I'm gonna help you get paid fast. All right, so with that being said, get y'all FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems lessons, $1,000 cash out of Bitcoin payment. Once it's on your cash out of Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot, let me know your pin ready. You can go from there. No screenshots, no replies, no 21 questions, no yos, none of that. Don't yo me, none of that. Only time you should be writing me is you sending me a screenshot. If you need one-time calls, y'all need my assistance from there on out, it would be an additional $250 each month. So if you want to get this whole month out the way, it'd be $1,250. So make sure y'all booking, tapping in, let's get to work. Also, make sure y'all follow the Telegrams, the New Age Credit Repair, and the Millionaires Network. Link in the bio. Let's get rich together. Instant cash, load ups, cash out, Bitcoin, all that, methods, all that. Still look for people for the production company. Still look for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameraman, and women for the production company. So you rap, you sing, you model, you act, you do whatever you do. You ready to make some content. DM me, let me see what you got. We're gonna go from there. We're gonna do a lot of skits, blogs, movies, music videos, traveling, networking, making money, all that, all right? Make sure you go follow me on IG, King Hussle X1M, and the real King Hussle X1M. That's my backup. Make sure you go follow my blog channels, No Rags, Just Riches, King Hussle 2.0, and sleeping on Milwaukee made King Hussle. Make sure you go follow my clothing line, Boost Split Department. That's Hustle Department in French on IG. Dropping new jogger sets, top of March, apparel and kids apparel. Make sure you go follow my horror story channel, Goosebumps Horror Stories. Make sure you go follow my rain channel, Sipping with the Rain, to create a positive financial frequency for yourself to create generational wealth and financial freedom. And make sure y'all stop tapping in, man. Make sure y'all getting y'all lessons, because we're going to win this year. We're going to make real money. We're going to make a lot of money. We're going to have fun doing it at the same time, right? So you're tired of being broke, so it ain't no joke. Get y'all lessons. Got a deal for $250 right now. 3 instant cash out methods, 1 free live card. It comes with the load up Cash App Bitcoin method, the Cash App method, and how to make $50K a month or profit method, 1 free live card. All right, so get that, tap in, let's work. Cash App Bitcoin payment $250, and let's win. All right, it's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how to get down in these videos. I will see you at the next lesson or video. Get y'all lessons. Oh yeah, mixtape dropping January 1st. So make sure y'all tap into that, and I'll see y'all next lesson or video. Peace.